Raul is X years old now, and Phil is 8 years older than Raul. In 2 years, Phil will be exactly twice as old as Raul is then. How old is Raul now? Well, let's write down what they told us so far. Raul is X years old now, so Raul is X. Okay, then Phil is 8 years older than Raul, so Phil is Raul's age plus 8. Okay, now in 2 years, Phil will be exactly twice as old as Raul is then. In 2 years, how old will Phil be? Phil will be 2 greater than he is now. So if you add 2 to this, you get X plus 10. So Phil will be X plus 10. And it says in 2 years, Phil will be exactly, so he's going to equal 2 times as much as Raul is then. So 2 times Raul's age in 2 years. Right now Raul is X, so in 2 years he'll be X plus 2. So now we have an equation and we can just solve for X. This side stays X plus 10. I'm going to distribute the 2 here, so 2 times X is 2X. 2 times 2 is 4. At this point we have X on both sides, so let's bring all X's to one side. Okay, I'm going to bring all X's to here, so I'll subtract X from this side. Minus X, minus X. This cancels, I'm left with 10 here. On this side I have 2X minus 1X, which is just X, and then also the plus 4. So now to get 4 by itself, I have to subtract, well, to get X by itself, I have to get rid of this 4, so I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. So I'll bring this over here. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here the 4 is gone, so I'm left with X. So I have 6 equals X. Just to be careful, I'm going to read what the question's asking one more time. How old is Raul now? So we need to know what X is, because X represents how old Raul is. And he's 6, so the answer is H.